This quick guide explains how to delete a review on Booking.com. Start by opening Booking.com and signing in with the same account you used to post the review. You should use the desktop version or the mobile app for full options. Step 1. Sign in to your account. Open the menu and tap your profile. Select My Reviews or Past Reviews. Then, locate the reservation and the specific review you want to remove. Step 2. Find the review. Look for Edit or Delete next to the review. If the Delete option is available, confirm the removal. If not available, you should choose Report or Request Removal. Step 3. Delete or request removal. If you cannot delete the review directly, contact Booking.com support. Provide your reservation ID, review date, and the reason for removal. Ask for review removal or moderation and save your ticket number. Key takeaways are: you can delete directly only when the option appears. If direct delete is unavailable, contact support with details. Act fast and keep screenshots and reservation information for proof.